In this video, I will show with you step by step how to deposit money in XTrend speed. So if you want to deposit money, follow me in this video. To deposit money, log in your accounts in XTrend, click the first website here. After that, you will see this page. From this page, click deposit. When you click on the deposit, you have a MasterCard or Visa card or Binance Pay. If you want to use a Visa card, click this one, choose your amount you want to deposit. You have $50, 1565. Click the deposit, and then you should be complete your information from here, postcode and zip and all details here. So after that, write your all details and write your address and zip code, and then choose your own information. After that, click this one. But this is for information, friends. After that, click this TIN number. This is TIN number, and then click send. After that, click deposit. Choose your payment here for deposit, MasterCard as I say, and then complete your all details. Basically, this is how you can do it. Choose your amount you want to deposit and then click deposit option. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.